Hello, I'm Clementine. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to make a cute 3D origami candy cane boy. For this project, this is what you'll need. To learn how to cut and fold the pieces, you can check that video. Let's go! I like to assemble the first 3 rows at once to get a sturdy base for the body of my little buddy. So assemble 3 red pieces like this. Do that 8 times. Repeat the same process with white pieces. Connect the 16 units together. The pattern is 2 red, 2 white. Now we've got our base. We're going to add 2 more rows to finish the body. Oops, wrong color here. And 1 more row. Now squeeze a little to give it a cup shape. And the body is finished. To make my origami characters more alive and unique, I like to give them a heart which contains a thought that corresponds to them. So in this case, I choose to write "Life is sweet" because We all need sweetness in our lives, don't we? You can use any method you like to stick the heart inside the body. For the neck, we're going to make an inverted row. So basically, instead of inserting your triangle this way, you insert it that way. Insert 3 peach pieces. Then continue with the 2 red, 2 white pattern. For the head, we go back to the normal rows. Insert 4 peach pieces like this. Now we're gonna give this little guy a mouth. Take your pink piece and insert it right in the middle. And we continue with the peach ones. Oops, I made a mistake here because we should have a pink one like this. Now let's go to peach again. Now we insert the eyes. Insert a black piece here and another one there. Now look, one of the slots of that peach piece will hold both the black and the peach points over there, like this. Same goes for that one. See? Repeat the same process for eye number 2. We're done with the face. Now we have 2 more rows to go to finish the head. And we do the last row. How about some tiny arms and legs? For the hands, take a peach piece, this side pointing that way. Make a crease here, like so, and tuck the bottom point in, like that. Now, we'll do the same with that point. So make a crease and then tuck in. You want to do that a second time because it has two hands, obviously. And for the sleeves, you open a red piece and fold the bottom point up to there. Then close it. Do the same with a white piece. Insert the hands into the sleeves like this. For the boots, take a red piece, wrap it around your finger and squash that part. Do the same with a white piece. Insert the white arm here. And the red arm there. Insert the white boot here. And the other boot right here. And there you have it, your very own 3D origami candy cane boy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun origami tutorials. Until next time, happy folding!